初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need help right now.
I need help right now.
我现在就需要帮助。
I need help right now.
I need help right now.
Call the police, please.
Call the police, please.
请叫警察。
Call the police, please.
Call the police, please.
There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
发生了事故。
There's been an accident.
There's been an accident.
Someone is hurt here.
Someone is hurt here.
这里有人受伤了。
Someone is hurt here.
Someone is hurt here.
My friend needs help.
My friend needs help.
我的朋友需要帮助。
My friend needs help.
My friend needs help.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
请问你能帮我吗？
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I feel very unsafe.
I feel very unsafe.
我感觉非常不安全。
I feel very unsafe.
I feel very unsafe.
This is an emergency.
This is an emergency.
这是紧急情况。
This is an emergency.
This is an emergency.
Something is wrong here.
Something is wrong here.
这里有些不对劲。
Something is wrong here.
Something is wrong here.
Please stay with me.
Please stay with me.
请陪着我。
Please stay with me.
Please stay with me.
I'm lost. Can you help?
I'm lost. Can you help?
我迷路了，你能帮忙吗？
I'm lost. Can you help?
I'm lost. Can you help?
I can't find my way.
I can't find my way.
我找不到路了。
I can't find my way.
I can't find my way.
Where am I now?
Where am I now?
我现在在哪里？
Where am I now?
Where am I now?
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
我丢了手机。
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
My wallet is gone.
My wallet is gone.
我的钱包不见了。
My wallet is gone.
My wallet is gone.
I forgot my bag.
I forgot my bag.
我忘了我的包。
I forgot my bag.
I forgot my bag.
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
我能用一下你的电话吗？
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
I left it on the bus.
I left it on the bus.
我把它落在公交车上了。
I left it on the bus.
I left it on the bus.
Where is the lost and found?
Where is the lost and found?
失物招领处在哪里？
Where is the lost and found?
Where is the lost and found?
I need to find it fast.
I need to find it fast.
我需要尽快找到它。
I need to find it fast.
I need to find it fast.
I feel very sick.
I feel very sick.
我感觉非常不舒服。
I feel very sick.
I feel very sick.
I have chest pain.
I have chest pain.
我胸口疼。
I have chest pain.
I have chest pain.
I can't breathe well.
I can't breathe well.
我呼吸困难。
I can't breathe well.
I can't breathe well.
I feel very dizzy.
I feel very dizzy.
我感觉非常头晕。
I feel very dizzy.
I feel very dizzy.
I think I will faint.
I think I will faint.
我觉得我要晕倒了。
I think I will faint.
I think I will faint.
I hurt my arm.
I hurt my arm.
我伤到了手臂。
I hurt my arm.
I hurt my arm.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
我需要医生。
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Is there a clinic nearby?
Is there a clinic nearby?
附近有诊所吗？
Is there a clinic nearby?
Is there a clinic nearby?
Call an ambulance now.
Call an ambulance now.
现在就叫救护车。
Call an ambulance now.
Call an ambulance now.
I have a high fever.
I have a high fever.
我发高烧了。
I have a high fever.
I have a high fever.
Please call my family.
Please call my family.
请打电话给我的家人。
Please call my family.
Please call my family.
Here is their number.
Here is their number.
这是他们的号码。
Here is their number.
Here is their number.
I need to report this.
I need to report this.
我需要报告这件事。
I need to report this.
I need to report this.
Can you help me report it?
Can you help me report it?
你能帮我报告吗？
Can you help me report it?
Can you help me report it?
I lost my passport.
I lost my passport.
我丢了护照。
I lost my passport.
I lost my passport.
I need a translator.
I need a translator.
我需要一名翻译。
I need a translator.
I need a translator.
I don't speak English well.
I don't speak English well.
我英语说得不好。
I don't speak English well.
I don't speak English well.
Please stay with me.
Please stay with me.
请陪着我。
Please stay with me.
Please stay with me.
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me.
谢谢你帮助我。
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me.
I feel safer now.
I feel safer now.
我现在感觉安全多了。
I feel safer now.
I feel safer now.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。